how to copy the link of any question post on Quora app. So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy the link of any question post on Quora app, easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Quora. Now let's wait, and this is the home page as you can see right here. Now choose, for example, this post right here. Now if you want to copy the link, all what you have to do is click on this icon right here and click on it. Now go down until you find copy link option. Click copy link and the link is copied successfully. Don't forget to like and subscribe.